So this is how to create a label. I don't want my bosses looking for an important message. So all I have to do is to create a label. Although I've created a label, but if you want to create a new one, just to click and then you add a title and then create. So because I've created, let me show you how to add an important message to the label I've created. So let's assume I want this message to be added before I want this message to be responded by my boss. All I have to do is to click on it and then I move to click on move to and then I want it to be found inside respond required so that my boss can easily access it. So I move it to respond required. You see, conversation has been moved to respond required. So let's go check it out. You see, Angel from Clever is now being moved to respond required. So my boss can easily access it.